The machines we build today will shape the material of tomorrow. They protect your air, your health, your future. Nanofiber, it's very thin fiber. It's 1,000 times thinner than human hair. And Nanospider, it's creating nanofibers from some polymer, from some plastic material. And they create a lot of nanofiber. Nanofiber can be used for the filtration of the air or any liquid or for some sportswear. In the future, I see big potential in the medicine because nanofiber is very good as the support structure for the cells. Any of the laboratory electrospinning machine, they use the needles. If you use 2, 3, 4 needles, it's no problem. But if you start thinking about industrial scale, you have more needles. And there can be trouble with the glocking, stop the function. It's the reason why we are work without the needles. Just the free surface electrospinning technology we are using. Liberec in the 19th century started to growing almost on textile business. Now we continue with the nanofibers with different type of textile. The invention is definitely by the team, is by the cooperation of the team, and I am happy to see that our idea was function and was helpful. My name is Jan Čmelík. We invented the Nanospider technology.